ẹ̀yin tèmi eléyìí tó lágbára báyìí ó ti tún ṣe báyìí o láàrin Seun Kuti àti bàbá Adeboye láìpẹ́ ìkan náà ni Seun Kuti lárí tóun àti Wizkid bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ń drag ara wọn ṣàdé la tún rí i pé Seun Kuti ní bàbá Adeboye òun challenge wọn póun ní proof pé ìyá ọ̀rẹ́ òun bí ó ṣe kú ní chọ́ọ̀chì bàbá Adeboye ní Redeem Camp tí bàbá Adeboye wà ń bẹ alive wọ́n nígbà tí ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ wọ́n ní àwọn people ti ná $250,000 ní church wípé wọ́n gbé òkú ìlọ bá bàbá Adeboye ẹ wò mí ò lè explain ẹ mọ nǹkan tó máa ṣẹlẹ̀ ẹ jẹ́ kájọ listen kájọ gbọ́ gbogbo kínní eléyìí tún lágbára gan báyìí ó lóun ready fún bàbá Adeboye òun ready àti fún confrontation wọn ẹ wò ẹ wá nǹkan fìdí ilé nǹkan this CROSSBLOGXTV don't forget to subscribe like and share à ń sọ fún yín oríṣiríṣi èèyàn Ọlọ́run ò ṣe tó báyìí yìí ń táwọn people yìí ṣe well let's see. Please drop your comment down below and let's hear your own opinion. Ẹ jẹ́ àgbọ̀lẹ́nu Seun Kuti ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin màmá ọ̀rẹ́ àti Adeboye tó lóore lóhun ní proof òun dẹ̀ ready àti challenge bàbá Adeboye at any time.
I'll tell you a story about Adeboye. Okay. One of our friends, mama, get cancer. I don't want to mention the woman name and the friend name because you know people after if they don't buy you, people become ashamed. Yeah. But if Adeboye won't sue me for this story, I will bring out the person because I'm my friend. May it doesn't a lie. The Bible of a to May you don't say you know do it. You know what happened? This woman had cancer. Or you don't tell her say, Madam, maturity. Calm down. This cancer, nothing can be done. Get comfortable. It's your time. Yes, it's tough to hear that shit. It's tough. It's tough to hear it's your time. Deep contemplation. What do I do with the last days of my time? I feel sometimes if you know you're about to die, it's luck. It's better than we who will die suddenly. Or those that will just die, no GG. At least you know it's coming. You can put your affairs in order. This woman no one die, a Nigerian rich woman. She too old. You can't die. Childishness. Immaturity don't set in. Now they come Nigeria. Adeboye will heal her. They go collect place for Redeem Camp, Redeem Village, whatever they call them. They stay. Adeboye they pray for the woman. They pay. They do everything. Say she go there okay. She will not die. To cut long story short, upon the prayer and everything, the woman can't die. Now, this is not what is maddening me. This is not the part of the story that made my head blow. This is not the part. I'll tell you the part. So now, they believe that Adeboye can cure the woman. They are children of God. They are children of God, so they believe. You know, children must believe in fantasy. You know, make believe. It's all make believe. But when reality now hit them, bing, the mama don't die. Inside the Redeem Camp, now she died. They couldn't believe it. So that one they couldn't believe. They couldn't believe it. Now they carry the woman. They carry and go to Adeboye house for inside the place. Yes, now they were very close to $250,000 had gone down. $250,000 don't go down. You know what she told me? She told me Adeboye come out of the balcony. He didn't even come down to meet them. Told them to stop crying. They shouldn't worry. That he's going to go and pray for her to wake up. Oh my God. This is not the time. It doesn't be idea among them. Not time for Russia that I have moved it. He said because they need down with their mama for outside. She's dead. Make all of them need down for outside with Uber. In they go inside, go pray. Say if he pray for 1 hour, she no wake up. Say now God call her, maybe they go house. Me I shall say as they did that, they never go back to sleep. Say I want this, I want wait. And then back to 250K USD. Oh, if he touch her, this on me. Tell also. He said me they need down with their mama outside. In they go inside, go pray for 1 hour. If their mama no come wake up, now be saying a God. Everybody, case close. Wow. Imagine. So this is what I'm saying. You give people a solution when not even they based in reality. You say people to come and pray to get a job. When we know that it's only through investing in local production that will create jobs for Nigerians.
Gbogbo ogun tó lóhùn ní gbọ́ tó lóhùn ní gbà lórí ayé yín, iná agbára Ọlọ́run máa jó dànù. Kí lè nǹkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá tó dàbí pé ẹ ti wá ọ̀nà àbáyọ ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ ti rí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ ti pàdé wòlíì yín ló fà, ṣùgbọ́n arán mi sí ọ lónìí dádì, arán mi sí ọ lónìí mọ́mì. Olúwa ló fẹ́ ṣe nǹkan ńlá nínú ayé yín. Olúwa sọ wípé gbogbo tẹ́ ń là kọjá yín òun fẹ́ fi òpin sí. Kí nìkan tẹ́ ń là kọjá lórí ìgbéyàwó ni, lórí ọmọ ni, lórí iṣẹ́ ni, níbi gbogbo ni, bóyá ogun kan ló dàbí pé ogun yẹn le, ẹ ti gbìyànjú kò tí ì sí ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ jẹ́ àjọ gbàdúrà, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wá ojú Olúwa, kí làṣírí ogun yẹn gangan, ẹ jẹ́ àjọ wádìí lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run, ká dẹ̀ mọ ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ tẹ́ fi pè mí fún àdúrà àti ọ̀nà àbáyọ, òun náà ni +234 7025 475427 +234 7025 475427. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń pè mí fún àdúrà lórúkọ Jésù ẹ máa rí ìyanu.